Welcome to the Research Software Camp Beyond the Spreadsheet. The camp will take place from the 1st to the 12th of November 2021. It'll be fully online and free for everyone to access. As you may have already guessed, we'll cover the use of spreadsheets in research, what tools are available to manage them, and how to move beyond them. If you're a researcher using spreadsheets in your work, and you've recently started coding or have been coding for a while, then this is the place for you. We'll be hosting a series of live sessions throughout the 2 weeks. Our main one is the panel discussion, Do we have the right tools for research? Our expert panelists will be representing tools and languages such as Python, R, Microsoft Lambda, OpenRefine, Google Sheets, and more. Some of them are also running workshops throughout the 2 weeks. The workshops so far are Google Sheets, OpenRefine, Filament, and R. Keep an eye out for other activities too. For example, we have a podcast episode on learning to code, where we interview 4 volunteers who have recently taken their first steps into coding with the help of a mentor. They'll be talking to us about their experience and journey throughout those 2 months and how having a mentor impacted on their journey. We're also running a code review clinic on week 2, where beginner coders will show a snippet of their code to experts. Our experts will provide guidance and helpful advice on how to move forward with it. Keep an eye as well on our blog, as we'll be posting resources, blog posts, and guides throughout the 2 weeks. Follow us on Twitter at SoftwareSaved, and also follow our hashtag at ArisCamps. None of this would be possible without the help and engagement from our panelists, workshop facilitators, presenters, volunteers, writers, and of course, our fantastic organizing committee. So join us while we explore the use of spreadsheets in research and how to move beyond them. You can find the full program following the bit.ly link shown on screen. You can also find links to all events and other resources in the description box below. See you at the camp!